Almost everybody uses the internet nowadays. It has become an indispensable part of our lives. Out of 10, 7 people have used VPN, virtual private network, in their lifetime. In this world where we are surrounded by the internet all the time, it is a big question when it comes to protecting our privacy and data. But not all of us know what is VPN, how does it work, why the Parliamentary Standing Committee on Home Affairs has suggested banning VPN. Would it affect the people who are working from home? Would it be beneficial, or is it a risk to our privacy? Let's try to answer all these questions with a simple example. We have seen in movies when robbers want to rob a bank. They think of two options. One, they go directly to the bank and shoot, give me the money. And the second one is that they dig a tunnel to the bank and steal all the money, like you may have seen in Money Heist. But nowadays they are working smart. They are using the internet to rob. Whenever you visit a website like your bank website to make an online transaction, you enter your details like password, account details, etc. on the website. All these data go to the bank server, but the problem is whenever you send data to the bank server, the hackers can interrupt your private information in between and can illegally use them. Here comes the VPN in the picture. VPN services encrypt data and mask the IP addresses. The idea of VPN was to keep privacy and anonymity. It creates a tunnel to protect our data by masking the real data values and changing its server location so that hackers cannot fetch out the real information. VPN services hide one's online transaction even on the public Wi-Fi networks. Till now, what we have understood is that VPN is a solution for cyber theft, but every solution brings in a new problem within, and these problems are disadvantage of VPN. According to IPC Section 293, child pornography and its possession is illegal. In the year 2015, the Ministry of Telecommunication had banned almost 857 porn websites, but using VPN, people still can access these illegal content, as one can check blocked sites. VPN is also used by hackers and criminals to hide their IP internet protocol addresses by masking them, and it allows them to remain anonymous online. There is news which says that VPNs log and sell browsing data to third parties. These are a few of the reasons why the Committee of Home Affairs urging the government to prohibit VPN services in India. If VPN is banned, would it affect the people who are working from home? VPNs are used by most companies in India to secure their digital assets. During the lockdown, VPNs have become more useful in facilitating seamless work from home situations. When employees work from home, they may want to access an important file from the server of their employer, and using VPN they can access it without any risk of falling it into the wrong hands. So VPNs are very important for the employees working from their homes. Even if the government accepts this suggestion of the committee, it would take at least 2 years to ban it completely. Till then, we hope COVID vanishes and employees may resume work from office, not being affected by the ban of VPN. This is it for today. For more such content, keep watching Brainiac Being.